crazy action, seconds Russian the Il-114-300 aircraft destroy all Ukrainian tanks. The Il-114-300 is a modern domestic aircraft with capacity to carry 68 passengers and a maximum payload of 6.5 t. The prototype aircraft was developed using serial production technologies at the Lukhovitsky aviation plant. It has a length of 26.87 meters, a height of 9.32 meters, wingspan of 30 meters, wing area of 81.9 meters, and fuselage diameter of 2.86 meters. The aircraft will offer high fuel efficiency due to the incorporation of the latest technology to maintain the aircraft's required aerodynamics and weight efficiency. It can also be modified for patrolling and ambulance services with provision for ski and wheel landing gear for operations in the Far East, North areas, and Siberia. The aircraft features a range of modernized systems and equipment such as the integrated navigation system, automatic pressure control system, wing flaps control system, fuel control and indication system, wheel braking system, and aircraft anti-icing control system. The flight crew will include a pilot in command and a co-pilot. The aircraft will be equipped with a digital flight navigation suite to ensure takeoff and landing under weather conditions in accordance with the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO)'s Category 2 standard. The flight navigation details and information on aircraft systems performance will be visible on 5 colored LCD displays. The modern passenger cabin will provide a comfortable flight within the entire range of altitude. The onboard systems have a required level of redundancy and utilize well-proven materials. The aircraft will be fitted with 2 advanced digital avionics and the Russian turboprop engine TV7-117 which ensures increased flight range when compared to the Il-114. Each engine has a maximum takeoff power of 2,900 horsepower. Its maintenance-friendly characteristics provide reliability even in difficult operating conditions. The regional passenger aeroplane can operate on short runways, unpaved runways, as well as Arctic ice runways, and is also capable of operating from airfields with inadequate technical equipment. The aircraft features integral passenger air stairs and provides access to all structural elements and units, which are required to be inspected by the maintenance program. It adopts a condition-based operation system without overhauls for maintenance of necessary airworthiness with minimum operational costs within 30,000 flights and service life of 30 years or design life of 30,000 flight hours. The Il-114-300 aircraft has a maximum takeoff weight of 23.5 t and fuel tank capacity of 8,780 L. With a cruising speed of up to 500 km per hour, the aircraft can reach an altitude of up to 7,600 meters. It requires a takeoff distance of 1,600 meters and landing distance of 550 meters.